Hi, good day. My name is Yashir and I'm from Hashtagweb. And in this video, we're going to uncover what it really costs to get a website with us and what you get with each package. Now, the minimum cost that you're looking at is 1/8 per page. And all of these are guides. We have to just see your content and understand what you need as well. Uh, and then the hosting cost is from $149 a month if you have a website. If you just have emails and you don't need a website, it's 99 Rand, okay? And that gets you 5 emails. That's the starting off cost. If you want to DIY it as well, which means you pick a design and you edit it yourself, it's just $149 a month. So there is a way for you to get around not paying this, but we'll set up everything for you and send you some videos, and you need to edit it yourself. Let's cover what the 1/8 gets you, and that is as per the design you select. So we have set up a website where you can go through. So all you do is you come over to designs.hashtagweb.co.za. The link for this is in the description of this video, and you type in your industry, and you just have a look at the different designs that we have. If you'd like to view the design live, you just click on the button here and it'll open up this design live, so you can see what it looks like, what moves when you scroll down. You can see exactly what you're going to get at the end of the day. Then once you've chosen your selected design, even if you want like us to change the color, that is possible with the add-ons. So we can adjust the color. So custom color, custom font, and these are the different page extras you get and the website extras you get, okay? Okay, so once we've labeled everything, we'll present it to you in a document like this. And then you can type out what you want changed to what, right? So if you don't have any idea on what you want to say, you can use this as a template to kind of direct you in what you'd like. And then once we've created your site, so I'll show you this one. The client typed in everything, right? This was the website before. So this is what the website looks like as a template, okay? And then this is it after, with their pictures and their content, okay? So you can read up more about this on our blog. I'll put the link in the description. This is basically what we've done here. We've even done the Google Maps listing as well. So that's the process for that package, and we also will adjust it for mobile, right? So it is redesigned for mobile, and it's not just responsive, it's redesigned. So if there's a section that needs to be adjusted completely, we disable it for desktop, and then we have a separate section for the mobile side of it. What if my information doesn't fit into this design? You can pick other sections from the template. If you look at the template for this design, there's a whole lot of different pages. So say you may like a certain section here that you want to replace out on your home page. We can do that. We can mix and match from the different sections on the site. All right, so the 2,500, the standard package, 2,500 per page, is you can pick the design, but we can even customize the layout for you, the font and the color, and that's all included. We'll assist you with a few titles on your page and assist you with images. It'll be designed for all devices, not just mobile, so completely responsive. And you get 3 revisions, and you get a discovery session. So we'll go through information. We'll go through what you're about as a business, and give you advice on what content you need, and also assist you with the content in terms of the titles and how to pitch yourself. So that's a 1-hour session with us. There's no motion effects with this package, but if the template has motion effects, so if you scroll down and things are moving, you will get that. With the premium package, motion effects are included in terms of customized movements on the site. You get 3 discovery sessions, so we really go deeper into what you're about. You get 6 revisions, and to show you what that includes, I mean, that's like a 38-step process. All our sites go through this process, but this has lead magnet consultation as well, and it all depends what extras you're getting with it as well. That's just the step-by-step process of the premium package. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I know it's going through a lot with you, but it's important that you understand what you're getting and what you're not getting. If you want to have a look at more of our latest designs that's not on our website, there's a video you can watch on that, and I'll have a link in the description for that.